Good morning, everyone. We will start, inshallah, in the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most gracious. Welcome to everybody who's joining us on our science class. And of course, it's like just, like something that we continue for the things that we've mentioned before. Okay, and it talks about, let me see who still remember. Okay. So I need Zaina. Zaina. Yes. Good morning, honey.
Good morning.
Good morning, honey. What are we going to talk about?
I don't know.
You can see the slide. I think you can see it, right? What can you see? Yes. Tell me, what are the things that we've mentioned in the last class with the teacher?
Push.
Push. Excellent. Awesome. Thank you very much.
Push.
Thank you. Thank you. Now let's give another one a chance. Sarah. Go ahead, Sarah. What else? Yes, Sarah, I can hear you. Go ahead, please. Okay, Sarah, maybe she couldn't hear me. Sarah? Yes, I hear you. What is this word? Okay, there is a problem, I think, in your speaker. How about Yasmin? Yasmin al-Ramahi. Yasmin, what did we learn last time? What did we learn, honey? Can you see the slide? Push.
Yeah.
Friction. After friction.
Wait.
Wait. Awesome. Thank you very much. Way to go. How about Salim? Go, Salim.
What?
What did we learn also?
Force.
Force. Awesome, Salim. Good job. Okay, let me see. Kareem. Yes, Kareem. Karoom.
Gravity.
Gravity. Good job. Great. So proud of you. How about Bayan? What did we learn, honey?
About Newton.
Newtons. Awesome. Many things we've learned and many things you still remember. I'm so proud of you. Way to go. Good job. How about let me see. Okay. Dana. Go ahead, Dana. Dana. Yes, I can hear you. Go ahead. What did we learn? Dina Hussein.
What?
What did we learn? Look at the slide. You can figure out also. Can help you.
We learned that when we put anything up, like when we jump, gravity pulls us.
Awesome. Awesome. Way to go. Very good. Okay, that means this is gravity. So here are actually...
I'm telling the thing of the gravity.
Awesome. Thank you, Dina. Now, the things that we've mentioned, actually, they are all in the slide here. You can see them and you've mentioned already them. Thank you very much. Now, let's move to the other thing. Okay. Gravity. Who can define gravity? I want, actually, who's this? Farah. ساحب. فرح. Yes, honey, go. Could you please read for me? What is the gravity?
Gravity is a force pulling everything
Towards
the
center
of the earth.
Excellent, awesome, very nice. I want to ask Yara. Yara, have you tried before anything you just throw it up and it comes back again to you? Have you tried this before?
Yes.
Tell me
Many
an example.
times. A basketball.
Basketball, very good. I love it. Who's else? I want Baylasan. What's wrong, Baylasan? You're crying. I don't know why. Go ahead, Baylasan. Have you tried anything before you throw it up and then it comes back again to you? What? What? Like what? Speak, speak. I want to hear your voice.
Or basketball.
Your basketball. I know you're a good player. I know that. Okay, how about Isa? I think this is Isa, but I can't see his picture or her picture. Or Tamim, I think. Tamim. Tamim.
Yeah.
The gravity. Do you think your gravity is a nice thing or a bad thing?
It's a very nice thing
Why?
because it puts everything to the center of the earth and doesn't make us like floating.
Floating. Awesome. There is a real life. Without it, we're gonna fly, all of us, with our stuff, right?
Teacher, I'm going to tell you a story about a short story about the gravity.
Dina, I am very eager to hear it, actually. I know your stories. They are very interesting, and all others also need to hear this story. Let me finish.
It's real.
It's what?
But it's real. It happens in real life.
It happens. Okay. You're going to tell me after we finish the weight, and then we're going to come back to the story. What do you think of that? Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Dandun. Now, gravity pulls everything again to the center of Earth. Do you think, who's this? Arwa? Not Arwa. Siba. Siba, do you think that every object has the same force or the amount of force? Oh, I can't hear you. Go ahead, Siba. Yes.
Hi.
Do you think that the amount of force of any subject is the same of any others than any other's object? Hmm?
No.
No, of course. Of course, here the amount of force on the left, the left picture, which is group of books, is totally different from the book or the same book that you can see now, right?
Yes.
Very good. Now, what is the force of gravity? What do we call the force of gravity on any object? What do we call it? I want Isa. Yes, Isa.
Right.
Yes. Tell me, what do we call the force of gravity on any object? Isa?
Yes.
Tell me. The force of gravity on any object. Maybe Karam will help you. Karam, go ahead. Jitawi. Karam Jitawi.
What, teacher?
What is the force of gravity on any object? What do we call it?
Weight.
Weight. Awesome. Very good. Okay. So weight is the force of gravity on any object. Now, Masa, I think, or Sirla, I don't know. Let me see.
Sorry I'm late, Miss. I have a small problem.
Don't worry, honey. You're most welcome. Anytime you come, okay? Please just read for me. What is the weight? Sirla Masa, I think. I don't know. What's your name? Sirla? Sirla. Go ahead, Sirla. What is the weight? Go ahead.
It's the force of gravity of an object.
Excellent. Very good. Thank you very much. Now, how hard gravity pulls object to the center of Earth? It's really hard because some weight of object like very heavy and others like very what? Light, right? Okay. Which of these pulled harder by the gravity? I need bayan. I don't know, there are some people, they don't switch their camera on, so I can't see them. Aoun, I think. Yes, Aoun. Aoun, could you please tell me which of these is pulled harder? I think Aoun is not with us. Okay. Kareem. Okay, Yara. Yara. Which of these are harder or it's pulled harder by the gravity?
The many books.
Excellent. Many books or the main group of books, they are much harder than the single book. Very good. Thank you, Yara. It has more what? Weight. It has more weight. Okay, let's move to the space. Do you remember the lesson of space that we've taken before in the street book? Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Can you see me?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you remember the lesson on gravity in our street book? Do you still remember that? What are the information that we've taken in the space? I need to hear from Mata. Yes, Sirla.
I remember.
Yes.
We learned about the stars and
Yes.
space and the moons and the planets.
And the astronauts, right? And how did they live in a place that there is no gravity there? Do you think that it is a very hard or easy job to be on space?
I haven't tried myself, so it depends. Some people may find it hard and others might find it easy.
Yeah, that's right. But in general, I think it's very hard because you need to be fully equipped. You need to be fully equipped, like astronauts.
Yeah.
Right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Yasmin.
Yeah.
Okay. I think there is some noise. I need just to make Yasmin. Yes, Yasmin. And in space, there is no gravity, right?
Yes.
Yes. Now, see here. The gravity or the Earth and the moon. See the girl here. How much she weighs? How much she weighs? The girl on the left, that she's on the Earth, I mean. How much she weighs? What did she say? I weigh? Yasmin?
35 newtons.
Awesome, very good. She weighs 35 what? Newtons. How about Bayan? Bayan. or Malak? I didn't hear Malak. Yes, Malak. Malak, the lady on the moon, how much she weighs?
I weigh 5 newtons.
5 newtons. Very good. Which one is heavier? Karam. The one? Karam Jitawi. The one on the
35.
35, the one on the earth, right? She weighs more than the one on the moon, right? That means the weight of object differs, okay? The weight of object differs. Who can remind me of the instrument that we use to measure the weight of objects? Raise your hand. Let me see who was interested to answer the question. I can see Bayan. Go ahead, Bayan. What do we call the instrument or the measurement?
What?
How do we measure the weight of object? What do we use?
We use the force meter.
Excellent, way to go, very good. Okay, let me see. Who's this? Okay, Zaina. Okay. So we use the force meter to measure the weight of object. Could you tell me, Zaina, what is the unit of weight when we measure something like this? Or suppose that you're measuring a pencil case or eraser. What is the unit that we use? Yes, Zaina? Do you remember? Is it meters or centimeters?
Centimeters.
Is it centimeters? Let me check with Dina. Dina, do you think that we use this measure, I mean, the height, or I mean, the unit, meters or centimeters, to measure the objects, the weight of objects?
No, not the objects.
So what do we measure by like centimeter and meter? This unit for what? For the height. Suppose that you're gonna like measure your toy, the height, I mean, the height of your toy or pencil.
Teacher.
We use
Exactly.
exactly.
The toy will be just 20 or 3.
Exactly. We use meters and centimeters, but for the weight, we use what? We use what, Sarah? Sarah Umar? Go ahead.
Newtons.
Newtons. So
Newtons.
the unit we use to measure the weight is newtons. We cannot say it's centimeter or meter, because by centimeter and meter, we measure the, yes, ya Tamim? Tamim? By centimeter and meter, we measure the unit of centimeter and meter, measure what?
Newton.
It's a Newton. This is for weight. Excellent. Very good. Excellent. Okay. So the height is for centimeter and meter, and the weight is for Newton. Okay.
Teacher, this apple is just 1. It's not heavy at all. Teacher, you're muted.
Yes, I'm muted. I know that.
Who mute you?
I mute myself. Okay. The weight of this apple. I want Siba to tell me what is the weight of this apple. Siba,
Yes.
how much this apple weighs? Okay, let's give the chance for Yasmin. Yasmin, I know. I think Yasmin. Yes. Yasmin, how much it weighs?
Apple is one Newton.
Way to go. Awesome, very good. And what should we put after 1? What is the unit? Here, I need to hear from Isa. Isa, could you please sit down, honey? Why don't you have a sleep? Take your sleep after what? We finish the class. Come on.
Teacher,
It's class.
I was asleep on the Arabic class. I was going to sleep.
Dina, it's Isa's turn. It's Isa's turn. Come on, Isa. Yes, Isa.
Yes.
Tell me, what should we put the unit for this?
Yes.
What is the unit that we use for the weight here after 1? This apple is 1 what? 1 centimeter? Meter?
Yeah.
It's what? It's what? Okay. I'll give you the chance after Zaina Abu Aisha. Maybe she will help you. Yes. What is the unit that we should put here? Zaina, the weight of this apple is in. It started with N. So it's what?
N.
Yes, Zaina Abu Aisha.
Newton.
Newtons. Very good. So the weight of this apple is 1 Newton. So yeah, Isa or Isa, you couldn't say this apple weighs 1 centimeter or meter. It weighs 1 Newtons because the measurement that we put for the weight is Newtons. Okay? So far so good? Farah, I want you. It's turn now. Come on. What is the weight of this toy car? Farah. Where is Farah? Come on, Farah. Answer, please. How much it weighs?
6 Newton.
How much? Tell me now.
3 Newton.
3 Newtons. Fantastic. Fabulous. Very good. 3 Newtons. Great job. She didn't say centimeter or meter, or she didn't say 3 and stop. She says 3 Newtons. Great job. So let's sum up things that we've mentioned. Gravity is I think this question is going to be answered by Rahat, what's this? Sanad Mardini. Sanad, you don't have a picture. I'm not sure if you're with us or not. Riqbal.
Yes,
Riqbal.
teacher.
Yes, where's your picture? Your beautiful picture.
I am in my...
What?
Yeah.
Yes, go ahead.
Nothing.
Go ahead. What is gravity?
It's a force pulling everything toward the center of the earth.
Awesome, very good. So proud of you. Weight is a Muhammad, I don't know. Muhammad, I think. I don't know what the family name, it's not clear. Muhammad, I unmute you. I unmuted you. Come on, go ahead. Weight is the okay. So I'm sorry, I can't wait anymore. Let's go to Ahmed. Okay. Let's see another one. I don't know. There are some students, they don't have pictures. Their camera is not on and they're not speaking. So I can't figure out if they are with us or not. Okay. Karam Jitawi. What do we use to measure the weight of objects?
Newton.
Not the units, the instrument.
Oh, okay.
What do you think? Force? Force meter. Karam. Did you forget it? This is the force meter we measure. Yes. How about now the unit, Karam, that we measured the weight of object?
Even force meter or not?
This is newtons. Yes, this is newtons because it talks about the units like centimeter and meter. So we have newtons as well, like this. Okay, see the small letter, it's like N in the force meter. This is symbolized, or this symbolizes for Newton. Okay, now my kids,
Okay.
I want just please to hear Dina. She has a story she told me, okay, about gravity. Why don't we enjoy together just listening to her? You can go ahead, please, Dina.
No, it's a short one, okay?
Short one, yes, go ahead.
That time I made a kite. I
Yeah.
tried to make it fly and there's no wind. So I tried many times and it didn't fly. And then I opened the window and there is a lot of wind. So when I tried to fly it, it got up and I didn't try, and I tried to catch it, but it keeps going up and I tried to catch it.
Very nice.
Close
Very
the
nice.
window, the gravity pulls it.
The gear what?
The gravity pulls it.
Pulls it. The gravity pulls it. Very nice. It's a nice example, actually. Very nice. Okay. Actually, time is finished and over. And I'm so sad, you know, to finish.
1 minute.
Sorry.
I have a pet.
You have what?
Do you know I have a pet?
You have a
A
pet?
pet.
Really? What kind of pet do you have?
A bird.
Birds.
It's a parrot.
I can hear like a sound of
A
bird.
parrot.
Parrot, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can
Yeah,
hear
it's
now.
a parrot.
Ah, okay. Very nice. I love pets.
A parrot.
I love pets so much. They make like nice atmosphere and nice feeling inside the home. I love them. Okay. Actually, it seems to me, mashallah, that everything is settled and everything is like here stored in your mind. You're familiar now with everything that has to do with gravity, pulls and push, and weight, everything, because next time, inshallah, we're going to discuss many things, new things, I think. So I'm so proud of you. Your performance is so fabulous. You still remember everything, and you are, inshallah, highly, like, you deserve really to go to grade 3, because inshallah grade 2 is doing, like, you're doing very good in grade 2, and everything is stored here perfectly. Thank you very much. I love you. I'm so proud of you. Waiting also for you to meet you all, inshallah, at the end of this month, at the beginning of September. Okay? Would you like to say bye for your teacher? Bye. I love you so
I'm
much.
going to miss you. Bye.
Thank you so much for your gentle listening. Thank you very much. Love you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, honey. Bye.
I don't know why everyone is muted except me.